How a college dropout turned $100 into a multi-billion-dollar fashion empire, the untold story of Zara. Picture this, you own a small, local clothing shop in a quiet coastal town in Spain. You create a brilliant design for a quilted bathrobe, a major high-end brand wants to buy it for a fortune, but at the very last minute, the deal falls through, leaving you stuck with thousands of unwanted garments and zero money to pay your suppliers. Most people allowed declare bankruptcy and live up forever. But Amancio Ortega, he turned that devastating failure into the blueprint for the fastest fashion supply chain in world history. Back in 1975, Amancio Ortega was a humble retail worker who had dropped out of school at age 12 to work as a shirt maker, a delivery boy. With just $100 saved up, he and his then wife Rosalia Mira opened a small shop called Zara in a Corona, Spain. Initially, they sold cheapy knockoffs of popular luxury designer clothes. When the bathrobe manufacturing disaster happened, Ortega realized a fundamental flaw in the traditional fashion industry. Brands took 6 to 9 months to design, manufacture, and ship clothes, meaning they were always guessing what trends customers might want. Ortega decided to completely flip the industry upside down. He cut out third-party manufacturers and brought design, fabric sourcing, and production completely in-house. Instead of mass-producing huge batches of clothing that might not sell, he manufactured clothes in very small batches. If a specific dress or jacket style started trending in local shops, Zara, his design team instantly modified it, and factories delivered brand new inventory to store shelves worldwide in just 2 weeks. To keep this lightning-fast cycle moving, Zara completely abandoned traditional advertising. Instead of spending millions on television commercials or magazine ads, Ortega invested that money into buying prime retail real estate right next to luxury designer stores in major global cities like New York, Paris, and Tokyo. That radical strategy of speed, scarcity, and prime location made Zara an unstoppable global giant. By the time Amancio Ortega stepped down as chairman, his revolutionary, fast fashion model had made him one of the richest people on the planet, proving that mastering logistics and speed can completely dominate an entire traditional industry. The lesson is simple: traditional business rules are meant to be broken. If you can eliminate friction, speed up your delivery cycle, and give customers exactly what they want right when they want it, you will easily crush the slow-moving competition. Don't forget to subscribe to Business Story Global for more incredible global business secrets and startup stories. Hit that subscribe button right now.